gaskiya ne ta tabbata masoya OBO ko kuma Davido za ku yi haƙuri. Wizkid fans sun riga sun ɗauke wannan ko kuma Wizkid FC. Yanzu dai Wizkid ya kasance mawaƙi na ɗaya a Afirka ko kuma a Najeriya dai kawai wanda ya fi kowanne mawaƙi kuɗi gaba ɗaya Najeriya, wanda yana da kimanin dalan Amerika biliyan ɗaya. Biliyan ɗaya, kai Allah ka ba mu namu. Davido kuma ya zama na biyu, a na biyun ma nasa duk da haka ana tantama ya kamata ma Burna Boy ne ya zama na biyu ko kuma shi Davido din dai a barsa a na biyu. Amma mu kalli bidiyon nan tare mana a inda suke magana akan kuɗin su ko kuma arzikin su.
Wizkid has been said to be the richest musician in Nigeria for 2025, with an estimated net worth of $100 billion, equivalent to approximately 199 billion naira. His impressive assets include a private jet valued at around $59 billion. Additionally, Wizkid bought an extensive collection of luxury vehicles featuring esteemed brands such as Ferrari, Lamborghini, and Rolls-Royce, with a combined value of several $billion. These remarkable holdings have reportedly earned Wizkid the distinction of being the wealthiest African musician. Light here from my colleague about the top 2 richest music artists in Africa.
That Davido has been ranked as the second richest musician in Nigeria. Despite not having won a Grammy Award, Davido's estimated net worth stands at approximately $80 billion. We invite you to share your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think Davido deserves to be ranked as the second richest musician in Nigeria or Burna Boy? You should let us know your opinions in the comment section before we proceed. Thank you for watching.
This week with